बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम IBST ग्रेजुएशन पास पेपर हेल्ड ऑन जो 22/1/2023 को हुआ था इसके MCQs को डिस्कस करेंगे। तो आइए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, करंट अफेयर वर्ल्ड नॉलेज। एस्तोनिया इज लोकेटेड इन डैश। करेक्ट आंसर बी, बाल्टिक रीजन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, वर्ल्ड फेमस लीडर विली ब्रांड बिलोंग टू विच कंट्री ऑफ यूरोप डैश। करेक्ट आंसर सी, जर्मनी। Question number 3, dash connects Arabian Sea with Persian Gulf. Correct answer A, Strait of Hormuz. Question number 4, McMahon line is a border between dash. Correct answer D, China and India. Question number 5, tenure of UN United Nations Secretary General is dash. Correct answer D, 5 years. Question number 6, talks for Brexit from European Union were held in which of the following country dash. Correct answer B, Belgium. Question number 7, US inverted in April 1917 into WWI because some American commercial ships were allegedly destroyed by boats of dash. Correct answer C, Germany. Question number 8, capital city of Australia is dash. Correct answer C, Canberra. Question number 9, International Committee of Red Cross ICRC has won Nobel Prize dash times. Correct answer B, 3 times. Question number 10, world famous book Atomic Habits is written by dash. Correct answer A, James Clear. Question number 11, currency of Oman is dash. Correct answer A, Omani Riyal. Question number 12, the Pakistan monument is located in dash. Correct answer C, Islamabad. Question number 13, in surprising defeat Argentine lose to which Arab Asian country in FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 dash. Correct answer B, Saudi Arabia. Question number 14, our solar system is located in which galaxy dash. Correct answer C, Milky Way galaxy. Question number 15, the Nobel Peace Prize winner of 2022 is dash. Correct answer B, Alex Bialystock. Question number 16, everyday science, the study of heat changes in chemical relations is called dash. Correct answer B, thermochemistry. Question number 17, the reaction which releases or gives off heat energy is called dash. Correct answer A, exothermic reaction. Question number 18, the basic physical and functional unit of identity is called dash. Correct answer B, gene. Question number 19, the molecular model of DNA which suggests the basic mechanism of DNA replication was proposed by dash. Correct answer A, James Watson and Frank Crick. Question number 20, in the bacterial cell the DNA is found floating in the dash. Correct answer B, cytoplasm. Question number 21, convex lenses are also known as dash. Correct answer A, converging lenses. Question number 22, the light of sensitive part of the eye is dash. Correct answer B, retina. Question number 23, solar panel contains solar cells which are called dash. Correct answer A, photovoltaic cells. Question number 24, Islamiyat Pakistan studies who was the chairman of Boundary Commission during the partition of subcontinent 1947 dash. Correct answer A, Radcliffe. Question number 25, who was the Lord Curzon in India during the partition of Bengal 1905 dash. Correct answer D, Viceroy of India. Question number 26. Imran Khan was removed from the Prime Minister office through which method dash? Correct answer A. No vote of confidence. Question number 27. What is the terminological meaning of fiqh dash? Correct answer A. Deep understanding. Question number 28. What is the Islamic jurisprudence of law dash? Correct answer A. Fiqh. Question number 29. Computer science. A salesman who usually travels by motorcycle needs to use or carry a computer to record the sales order he takes from the shops he visits. Which of the following is a suitable computer for this purpose dash? Correct answer B. Laptop computer. Question number 30. Which of the following is used to build macro computer dash? Correct answer C. Processor. Question number 31. Which one of the following would not be considered as a form of secondary storage dash? Correct answer C. RAM, random access memory. Question number 32. What is the name of a web page address dash? Correct answer C. URL. Question number 33. Which function converts text to uppercase in MS Excel 2016 dash? Correct answer C. Uppercase. Question number 34. Which function is useful when you need to display the current date and time on a worksheet dash? Correct answer D. Is equal to now. Question number 35. Another name for a pre-programmed formula in Excel is dash? Correct answer C. Function. Question number 36. Which of the following function is used to sum the values in a range that meet criteria that you specify dash? Correct answer B. Sum if. Question number 37. Special effects used to introduce slide in a presentation are known as dash? Correct answer A. Transactions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel Exams with Munawwar.